A very good afternoon to everyone. I am Ajay Joshi from the Ambience Group, and right now we are standing at the Ambience Catriona project, one of the lobbies. We have 2 elevators in each floor, 2 apartments, and the third elevator is a service elevator which is located at the back along with the servant room. Now today I'm going to showcase you a 7,000 square feet apartment which is a 4+ study. So we are standing on one of the higher floors. This whole property is overlooking to the golf greens. It's a 9-hole golf greens in the front and a view of the Rajokri greens at the back. Now upon entering, on the right hand side, this is the study room. After the study room, we have the powder room connected to it. And then is the guest room. So this is the guest room of this apartment. This is the cupboard. Now each and every apartment will have a bathroom connected to it. This would be the bathroom for this guest room. Now I'll show you one of the major highlights of this apartment is the living room area. Over 1200 square feet of a living room area. Then we also provide you with the bar cabinets. This apartment will also come equipped with a home automation system. So this home automation is going to take care of all the lights, the fans, the curtains and the music system. Now this is the dining area connected to your main deck of this apartment. Now we have given huge decks to all the apartments in Catriona overlooking to the golf course. It's a 38-acre 9-hole golf course which is operational at the moment, and you can come and enjoy a game of golf over here. Now this is the family lounge area for this apartment. Now this is going to be the puja space and your second bedroom. Now this is your second bedroom. Now the cupboard space is here. this is the bathroom. Now even the bathroom is equipped with a bathtub with jacuzzi features. This is the sauna room and the steam room, which is inside the apartment only. Not only the front balconies, but even the backside balconies are overlooking to the Rajokri Greens. So here you're truly sitting on the lap of nature. Now we'll have a look at the kids' room. Now this kids room will also have cupboard space in the room. So we have made cupboards here in the room and the bathroom as well. And again the same balcony overlooking to the Rajokri Greens. Now we have covered space over here, and since this room is designed for 2 kids, we have separate cupboard space, we have separate wash basins for the kids and a common bathing area. Now last but not the least, this is our master bedroom. Over 410 square feet of a master bedroom. Now if you notice, all the wood that we have used in the making of this apartment is all Burma teak. It's a very high quality wood. It's all Italian marble that you see on the floor as well. So this is Parlato. Now the main deck is also connected to your master bedroom so that you can enjoy the best view of the golf course. Now with such a humongous master bedroom, you would also need a large size bathroom. So that's why we have a walk-in wardrobe over here. So now this bathroom was designed for a working couple. So as you can see, we have separate cupboard space for the couple. We have 2 wash basins and 2 WCs also located in the bathroom, and a common bathing area along with the rain shower. Now we'll quickly go have a look at the kitchen. Now this is a completely modular kitchen. Will be equipped with all your equipments like fridge, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, OTG, griller. Now the kitchen also is divided into three parts. We have a storage space over here. It's a storage room. Now this is the wet area. So this is where we will have the washing machine, dishwasher and the dryer, along with the wet balcony overlooking to the Rajokri Greens. Now these Rajokri Greens eventually will get merged into the Aravali's on the right. And we are standing in a very close proximity to the airport as well. Now this property is a stone throw away from Delhi, so this is 0 kilometers from Delhi, and we share a common boundary from Delhi. Now this was Ambience Catriona. We just saw a 7,000 square feet apartment, which is a 4+ study. For any further details, you can call on the number given below. Now this is Ajay Joshi again, and have a great day. Thank you.